Meantime, we are continuing our coverage tonight, 3 weeks to the day after 16 children were removed from a Hamden home. As we've told you, a Vinton County judge issued a gag order in the case involving 4 members of the Siders family charged with child endangerment.
But tonight, that gag order is drawing criticism from legal experts and even preventing 10 TV from obtaining public records requests.
10 TV's Carla Rogner joins us now live in studio. You've been looking into this, Carla. What are the biggest concerns with this gag order here?
Yeah, well, some legal experts have expressed concern. So the gag order prevents any public official from speaking out about this case. That means anyone from local law enforcement, even Governor Mike DeWine couldn't say anything about it.
I don't mind following a gag order when it's properly entered, but this one is overly broad. It's not very clear about what it means, and the judge has the obligation, I think, to clarify it.
Mark Weaver has served as special prosecutor in 12 counties across Ohio. He says this gag order in Vinton County does not follow the legal process.
This judge was required to have a hearing where all the parties could be heard and evidence could be reviewed about whether or not a gag order is required to maintain a fair trial.
That hearing never happened. Last Tuesday, the attorney for Gary Siders Jr. requested a gag order, citing concerns with these comments made by public officials and how they could sway public opinion in this case.
This is pure evil.
Most of our livestock was kept in better conditions than the children.
The judge signed off on that order the same day. It precludes any public official from disseminating information or commenting on the case.
They don't have power to bind people outside of the case or outside of the courtroom. And saying that, for example, the governor of Ohio can't speak about this case, there's no way that a common pleas court judge can do that unless the governor was somehow a party in the litigation, which is not true here.
This week, the lawyer representing the Southeastern Ohio Regional Jail denied 10 TV's public records request for video showing the Siders being booked into jail. The lawyer said due to the gag order, he could not send that video. Weaver says that's unusual.
The notion that otherwise public records like body camera footage, for example, or filings in the clerk's office, the notion that they're not public records because of the gag order, I don't think that's true. I think those records should be released if they are otherwise public. I understand how local government officials look at this order and they don't want to be crossways with the judge. That's fair. It goes to the heart of why this order needs to be redone the way Ohio law requires it to be.
And we've made requests for dozens of records from the Vinton County Sheriff and other agencies as we try to learn more about who knew about these children and the family's history. It's unclear how this gag order will continue to impact our reporting. A lawsuit has been filed to fight the gag order. Weaver says the next step should be a hearing at the Ohio Supreme Court. Jeff, Yolanda.